back to my channel, and today I will be showing you my version of scrunchie. Okay, so this is kind of cute. Yeah, okay, so let's get into it. So all you need is your crochet hook, and this one is 4mm hook. Okay, 4mm hook, and then your yarn. Okay, so this one is a cotton yarn, and of course your elastic, okay, or hair ties that you are going to use. Okay, so to start with, okay, we're going to make a slip knot. Okay, so anyway you wanted to make your slip knot, that's okay. And then after that, okay, we're going to insert here. Okay, and we are going to do single crochet. Okay, so just get that through. Okay, and we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you're just going to do this. Okay, how many do you want? Okay, so from 30 to 50. Okay, and you can stretch it as well. Okay, so just continue that, and I'll come back, okay, when you get your numbers. Okay, so whatever numbers you decided, that's okay. Okay, as long as it's tight. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so when we pulled it, okay, so we have to push it, okay, and fill it up. Okay, so continue that, guys, and I'll be back shortly when I'm done with my single crochet, and I will show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Okay, and I have done, okay, so that is full. Okay, and then what we're going to do is slip stitch, okay, in the first chain, and now we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what we're going to do now is slip stitch. Okay, so we are here, if you can see. Okay, so we slip stitch there, so we're going to slip stitch into the back loop only. Okay, and then chain 8, okay, and to the next stitch, back loop only, slip stitch. And chain 8, okay, and slip stitch into the next chain, then continue, and slip stitch, into the next chain, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and slip stitch into the next chain. You just going to do that, okay, until you finish the row. Okay, so you are just going to continue that, okay, until you finish the row, and then after that you're going to do the front. Okay, I will going to show you that, so just do continues until you finish, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Hello guys, so I just finished the first row. Okay, so when you get here, okay, you can just leave it just like that, or you can add more. Okay, so I am here now, so what I'm going to do, this is my last chain there. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is just chain 8, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and now what I'm going to do is to jump in to the front. Okay, so if you can see that, okay, so this is where we started, so I'm just going to do the front there. Okay, and just do a single crochet and then chain 8 6 7 8. Okay, and just go in the second chain, okay, in the front loop. So we're working at the front loop now. Okay, and you just have to continue that 8, chain 8, and then single crochet, okay, or slip stitch, whatever you easier for you, whatever you like. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and just go to the next. Okay, so just continue that, guys, okay, until you finish, and you will be done. Okay, so that is how I made my scrunchie. Okay, there is a lot of way, and I will show you some more. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, okay, like my video, share, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified every time I will upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.